right, just got my cutting board, and this board, all right, it has two sides. All right, that's another different. This is more like a durable plastic that they have that they use for a lot of the cutting boards. It has a spillage area here, a rough surface in case you want to rub something out. Maybe sometimes the fruits have stickers. That's another way you can rub it out. It has a drain area all around, if you guys can see all around it. And this one doesn't, but this one is for the one that we're going to use because we're going to cut some chicken today and chop it off with this thing and see how well it's durable. It's going to get scratched, but I don't care. It's something that you could wash. It's dishwasher-safe too also. And we're going to use it today and see how it works. One piece. And we're going to chop it up in small pieces. This is so it could fit in the pot, all right? So we're going to put it in the pot. It's not bad, actually. So cutting board's pretty good. More pieces? Nope, that's it. So we got all pieces in here. We're able to do it very simple. This is durable. Doesn't matter if it gets scratched, as long as you keep washing it and keep it clean. You can enjoy it for many years. So I like that it's both sides. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be careful here because you can't see some of the angles, but I like this cutting board a lot. It's straight. Let's go ahead and put the carrot in. That's all the ingredients.